Okay, so this is a update of progress being made here at the townhouse in Burlington. Some of the most noticeable differences since the last update was that the granite countertops are now put in. They look really good too. And there's also a new faucet here. We decided to leave in the current dishwasher because it's already stainless steel, but we did order already a new refrigerator, microwave, and stove range that have already come in the delivery, or already were delivered. We just haven't put them in yet because we're gonna have painters come in an upcoming week, and we didn't want the appliances to get any paint on them. But speaking of paint, now that everything's ready to go, especially when it comes to patchwork throughout this unit, they'll come through and do agreeable gray. So I think we have a combination of this green, yellow in the kitchen, but all of this will be one consistent gray color. So, you know, I have all this painted. Carpets will also get put in the upstairs bedrooms, and also on the primary on this level. I already updated that we got the tubs resurfaced, but another update here was that there was new baseboards placed in because the dog at one point in time chewed them up. So we got those replaced. And then again, the resurfacing of the bathtub and shower upstairs. We got a new HVAC. What else is going on up here? Yeah, just patchwork, all that'll be painted. So we'll fill you guys in on what that looks like when it's done. So yeah, on the staircase, the carpet's all been pulled up, and we'll get new carpet on here. This whole hallway will get painted. And we're also getting the ceilings and baseboards painted as well. And you can see here, the 2 bedrooms upstairs. Carpets have been pulled. We already got that carpet color. It's like a light tan picked out. And again, paint will go in here. And then again, this shower tub combo has been resurfaced, and then there'll be a fresh coat of paint in here as well. But I think all in all, the only things that are left to be done will just be the painting, the carpet, a few odds and ends. I think another thing that we've also updated is I believe we got something done with the garage door. I think it needed some new buckles. I think this one right here is new in comparison to the other ones. So that's been replaced. And these are some shelves that have been built previously while we were in the unit, but those will convey with the new buyers. I'm sure they'll appreciate those. Yeah, but other than that, we'll keep you guys posted on what the finished product looks like, and we'll do a final walkthrough. But hopefully in the next week or so, we'll get these last updates made, get this bad boy on the market, and make it do what it do.